He says there's no kick on it, but watch his shoulder goes back about 3 inches back. There's a kick on it.
Oh,
Your
up or
shoulder's
down.
gonna be sore out of this.
Oh, I see.
How much it goes back. You need to lean forward. You need to lean forward more.
You don't feel it when you're behind the gun. It's whoever is on the side of this thing, you're right here. That's what they're talking about, that little one. They said a little one. That's a big deal. If you change that one to a cookie cutter, just like a cookie cutter one, that shit you get at
Aim higher. Yeah.
Too high?
I think you're way too high, yeah.
right in the center of the block.
Oh, you're out. We're shooting the Tactical SC-122 from TR Imports. This is kind of what it did with the 12 gauge buckshot. I can definitely say if somebody comes into your house that you're okay. Big hole. Absolutely, look at that.